Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts on your Amazon Fire TV Cube. Now if you're just looking to log into a different account, you can just go to this little profile icon and then choose one of the other accounts that you made. If you're looking to unlink and deregister your Amazon account and then log into a new one, well, you can go over to settings right here, going down, go to profile, and then what you want to do is go to deregister. So let's go back over here since it kicked me out. We'll go to account settings and then profile right here and select this and go to Amazon account right here. Then if we select this, we have the option to deregister. So it says your Amazon Fire TV Cube will be deregistered from your Amazon account. This will remove your content from your device and many features will not work. To remove personal data, use reset to factory defaults in settings. After deregistering, you can register your Amazon Fire TV Cube to another Amazon account. So you will need your email address and password to sign back in. So once you do this, your Fire TV Cube will be linked to a different Amazon account. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.